I feel 27 is good enough. Okay. Yeah. Let us try to make a small cottage. Okay. Scale X. Scale X. Okay. And then what we do is for the cottage. Yeah. We cut a loop, shall we? Yeah. We cut 2 loops over here. Okay. And then we cut. No, before we cut more loops, we'll do one thing. We are going to do something. Okay. 3 for the face selection, and select these faces. Extrude. And scale SY, scale them in the Y direction. Okay. And now cut a loop over here somewhere. Okay, and then now we're going step by step. Okay. Cut a loop over here. Okay. Cut loops over here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 loops. 8 loops there. 8 loops there. What about here? 2 more loops over here. No need of those loops. So we get a chimney here. Okay. Why in the center? Let's have the chimney here somewhere, because the kitchen will always be in this side, right? So that reminds me, cut a loop over here. Okay. Yeah. Then cut 2 loops over here. Let's have kitchen somewhere inside. Okay. If you have the kitchen over here, in that case, let us rotate it. RX. Extrude. And you can straighten this. Rotate. Grab Y. Yeah, straightened. Then E, extrude again, scale. Okay. And now let us extrude and scale it out. Extrude. Okay. And extrude. And we can simply bridge this place. We want to close it. Okay, this select this one and select this one and say ridge faces. Okay, and now we want to cut out certain things. Okay, we can do that very nicely with a boolean. Okay, now even before that, what I want to do is, if you go inside, you will find, what will you find inside that? So I want to first make the add a modifier, and that's called the solidify. I think I'm not wrong. Solidify modifier. This is used for thickness. Okay, so let us see the thickness of the walls. That much should be enough. Apply. Solid. Okay. Now we'll know the thickness when you cut out. Okay, when we actually cut out with the boolean. Let's save this. Call it hut. HU. Hut. Not called hut. Let's call it cottage. COTTAGE. A cottage. Let's call it cottage. Okay. Let's call it cottage. Okay. Now we can do one thing. Yeah. Select all these faces. Extrude them. These are for the tiles. Okay. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we extrude. For the upper tiles. Okay. Yeah. Similarly, here to select all these faces. Select all of them and extrude. Okay, a little bit. Not so much. This much is enough. And these faces select. Okay, and we extrude them. E for extrude. Okay, Control S, keep saving. And now we have to create an object for boolean. Okay, so how do we create an object for boolean? From here itself we can pick up and create an object for boolean. How do you do that? We just shift D, shift duplicate and press P, separate by selection. Okay, and then we cut loops. And then we select this GZ. Okay. And then we select the faces and we extrude. And if you want, we can give a subsurface modifier to this. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. Okay. Or maybe if we subdivide it may work. Okay. Now let's add the modifier now. Yeah. Yeah, there's some shape. Okay. So S X. Here we apply it. SX. Okay, now let us do some Boolean operations. GX. Let's cut out door for us. G Y in the center. Select this is the house, this is the cottage, CUTTAGE, the cottage, Q1. So we add Boolean, difference, calculate the difference, GX, yeah, we got neatly in door over there. Now the same thing, we could, similar windows we could have, okay, Control S. Yeah, we could rotate this. Z. Now object set origin to geometry. Yeah. RZ. Okay, grab it. X direction. Grab it Y direction. Yeah, I'm going to scale it. Control 1. GY. Take it in. Control 1. GZ. Take it up. Beyond the windows to way up. Maybe a bit bigger windows. Scale it XSX. Yeah, such kind of windows. Okay. Control 1. GX. Shift duplicate. GX. Shift duplicate GX. Shift duplicate GY. Shift duplicate GX. We'll have these two windows over here. Okay. So now we do the Boolean again. Okay, Boolean, apply, delete, Boolean once again, apply. Will not delete it, I will take it out. Maybe we'll need one window on the back side. Okay, I'll rotate GX, GY. Okay, maybe we'll just take one window. And Control 3, GY, Boolean, okay, Boolean, apply, delete that. Okay, Control S, keep saving. So we made a very simple hut, cottage, simple cottage, and so many things can be done. Okay, right now we create loops over here. Loop over here, and let us do one thing. Yeah, and create some steps over here. Okay, interesting it's going to be. Let's do one step. One more maybe we can make. Okay. Cut a loop over here. Okay. Extrude. One more step. Okay. And for the side boundaries, we can extrude. Extrude. Okay. Extrude. Okay, that's a very simple cottage. Okay, and now a bit of texturing. Shall we try? Okay, yeah, so for that I already have the PBR toolkit over here. Okay, so that won't be a problem. Do one thing, select all these, I'll go step by step. Okay, select all these, not that one. Select all these. unselected. You selected all these and go to your UV. It's still unselected. Go to your UV editing and Smart UV project. And let us take the material, the PBR. Let's take roofing, roof, times roof. Okay, let's take the roofing. Add new. Assign. It's assigned, right? But we need to do the adjustment. Okay, they're too big, so we can scale them. Scale the UVs. Okay. Control S, scale the UVs, so you got some tiles. Okay. Yeah. Select. Then Control I, invert the selection. And here we take a brick texture, okay, where the bricks are here, right? Okay. Add new, assign. Yeah, we need to do Smart UV project also. Yeah. And select and scale it up, so we have a nice brick pattern over there. Okay, yeah, that's good. Go to this side also. This side we have to adjust. Okay. This side we'll have to adjust. This one. This side plus this side. This other sides are good. So how do we adjust? Control S, keep saving. How are we going to adjust? Let's select these only. Okay, select these. And let us do one thing. Yeah, yes, those UVs we have to adjust. Okay, we have to rotate them. R for rotate. You see, we have to scale those UVs. SX. Maybe make them smaller. Align them. Okay. Yeah, almost aligned. And same here, select these over here. Okay, select these. Select these. Okay. And we'll have to rotate the UVs. Okay, rotate the UVs and scale them in X. SX. I think we have to make them bigger. Yeah, almost coincided. Control S. I'm saving. It's nice looking. Cottage, but the floor has to be different, right? And the chimney, I will have a small opening there. Okay, extrude, scale it down, extrude, G, Z. Delete the faces. Delete the faces. Delete the faces. Delete the faces. Okay. So we have a nice chimney over there. And yeah, the floor. Yeah, select the floor. The floor. Let's do some tiling work over here, right? Yeah, let's get some tiles. Maybe tile. These may be dark ones. Add new tiles, assign. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's grab it and we scale it to X. Or not this. Scale it to X. No. Scale it to Y. Yeah. Okay, those kinds of tiles you have. And what about let's say, what about fencing sort of? Yeah, making cuts for fencing. Okay. Kind of boundary wall or something. Okay, so let's select these. Keep selecting one by one. Keep selecting this boundary area. Okay. We have a small boundary for the small cottage. Okay. Yeah, now we extrude. So high, this much should be okay. Okay, and here we could put a loop. And here also we could cut a loop. And press 3 and extrude. Okay. Extrude. Scale it. Scale it. Control S, keep saving. Keep saving. That looks nice. Nice though. So you got a small, simple cottage. So this was friends just to explain you the process of creating a cottage. You can create wonderful things inside of Blender. Shift S, cursor to world origin, Shift A, mesh plane, scale it up. Scale it up. this one let's make into sunlight, maybe around 9. Okay, rotate it, grab it, rotate it, grab it, and how does it look from the camera? Very nice. Although there's so many things to be done, yet even without much of work, it still looks very good. So we just started on the hut, and you can continue on the hut. Let's render and see. F12. F12, yeah. It's rendered very nice, very beautiful. Okay. Now let us try to render. There are so many things that have to be made. This is just the beginning of the making of the cottage. You can detail it, you can do anything. Just simple. It was just a simple outline of how you do a cottage. Okay. So the cottage is not yet ready to move in. The windows to be put, the door to be put, so much furniture to be got, the kitchen to be made ready. Okay. So many things to be done in your cottage. Okay. You can do it, and you can improve the texturing. Okay. Yeah, I leave it to you, and let us try to render it using the cycles, right? F12. Render image. Cycles is rendering our image. Okay. Okay, if it appears too light, let's make it a bit dark. Okay. Okay. Let us see the light. The light is over here. Let's make it about 6. And let's make the sky blue. Okay. Let's make the ground dark. Okay, this looks much better, and let's render it now. Let's render the image. Not from here, let's render it from here. Yeah, does it make a difference? Change of the color and the intensity of the light. Will it make a difference? Change the color of the sky. Yeah, it does make a difference. Yeah, it does make a difference. Lots of difference. Right? You can spend more time on this. Oh, it looks very nice. It does look very nice. A very, very simple cottage. that we have just rendered out inside a blender. Of course, it's not a complete cottage, I know. We have just begin to construct the cottage, or you can say model the cottage. Okay friends, thanks for watching and please subscribe. Okay, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe.